Jared Griffo with Electric Generators Direct, and this is Ask the Expert. Today we're going to discuss off-grid applications. So one of the biggest misconceptions is that you can use a standby generator in an off-grid application, when this is not a good idea, for a few reasons. So number one, warranty. To use a standby generator in an off-grid application, you're going to lose pretty much all your warranty unless the generator is specifically designed or notated in the warranty that it can be used. For example, looking at this Kohler standby generator as listed, does state that it has an 18-month, 1,000-hour limited warranty for off-grid applications or non-standby applications. So basically, if it's not connected into a transfer switch, it can still have a warranty. The other reason is the EPA rating. So a standby generator is generally rated to handle 100 hours per year by the EPA. Well, obviously in an off-grid application, you're going to hit more than 100 hours fairly fast. So that being said, you really want a generator that's going to hold up to a lot more use than a standard standby generator. Third thing you need to look into is how is the generator controlled? And when we say that, we're talking about how many wires does it take to actually start that generator. So you'll find a lot of the standby generators nowadays are a 4-wire start, whereas the solar inverters that you'd have for your backup power or your off-grid power are going to have a 2-wire start coming from the inverter. That is something that you definitely need to look into, because if the generator can't be converted to that, then it's going to be no use to you. So if you have any other questions on this subject or any other products that we have on our site, please let us know. Give us a call. Otherwise, have a nice day. Thank you.